How to add follow button to your LinkedIn profile. Hello guys, welcome back. If you'd like to do so, you may follow up this easy guide. So you can head over to linkedin.com first of all and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the Me tab in the top right corner. And once the menu opens up, go ahead and open up settings and privacy. And your settings opens up for your LinkedIn. Now from your left hand side menu, select the option called Visibility under Sign In and Security and open it up. And once you are here, you will be finding different options for your visibility of your profile. So you may scroll to the options and go to visibility of your LinkedIn activity section, where you will be finding option called followers. Go ahead and find it up and open it up. After you open it up, you can basically go ahead and select this option. So here it gives you option who can follow you. You can select the option called everyone on LinkedIn if you want everyone, or you can select your connections as well. And you can turn on this option right here, and that way the primary action when the members view your profile, they will be finding a follow button on your profile. So this is how you turn on the follow button on your LinkedIn profile. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.